एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप। इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू कवर चैप्टर 2 फुटप्रिंट्स विदाउट फीट। 30 MCQ क्वेश्चन टू अंडरस्टैंड टॉपिक प्रॉपर्ली। स्टूडेंट, यदि आपने चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ताकि प्रत्येक वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिल सके। लेट अस स्टार्ट। हु इज द ऑथर ऑफ द स्टोरी द थीव्स स्टोरी? A. James Herriot, B. Ruskin Bond, C. Robert Arthur, D. Victor Canning. Option B is correct, Ruskin Bond. Next, what is he a fairly successful hand at? He is used for thief. His name is Hari Singh. Fairly successful hand, expert. A. Wrestling, B. Stealing, C. Deceiving, D. Working hard. Option B is correct, stealing. Next, what was his name? What was thief's name? Hari, Anil, Amol, Harry. Option A is correct, his name was Hari. Next, what was the boy's age who was thief? Option A 15 years, B 25 years, C 20 years, D none of the above. Option A is correct, he was 15 years old. Next, what was Anil's age? A 15, B 25, C 20, D none of the above. Anil was 25 years old in this story. Option B is correct. Next, how has the narrator described Anil? A. Simple, B. Kind, C. Easygoing, D. all of the above. Option D is correct, all of the above. Anil has been described simple, kind and easygoing. So option D is correct, all of the above. 7. What was Anil doing when the boy met him? Cooking, watching a match, playing, writing an article. Anil was watching a match. Option V is correct. Next, how did the narrator attempt at being friend with Anil? A. Flattering him, B. Teasing him, C. Introducing him, D. none of the above. Option A is correct. The narrator attempted at being a friend with Anil, flattering him. Next, what did the boy ask Anil for? To give him food, to employ him, to give him money, to teach him. Option B is correct, to employ him. Next, how often did he change his name? Every day, every week, every month, every year. He changed his name every month. Option C is correct. Next, he changed his name in order to stay ahead of A. Police, B. Employers, C. none of them, D. both of them. Option D. Option D is correct, both of them. He changed his name in order to stay ahead of police and employers. Option D is correct. Next. What Anil did he tell? What name did he tell Anil? Anil Singh, Hari Lal, Hari Singh, Anil Lal. Option C is correct. Hari Singh. Next. What do you mean by the word grunting? A make a low, inarticulate sound. Say something which is clearly audible. Shouting. None of the above. Option A is correct. Make a low, inarticulate sound. Next. How was the meal he cooked first night? It was delicious, mouth-watering, finger-licking good, terrible. Option D is correct. It was terrible. Next. How did he infer that about his food? Anil said he liked it. Anil could not have enough of it. Anil was liking his finger. Anil gave it to a stray dog. Option D is correct. Anil gave it to a stray dog. Next. What did Anil promise him to teach? Write his name, cook, write full sentence, all of the above. Anil promised him to teach, write his name, cook, write full sentence. So option D is correct, all of the above. Next. Did Anil really mind his pretty way of earning money? Pretty way. Yes, no, maybe. He did not earn through pretty way. Option B is correct. No. Next. A cure way to return money. What is the meaning of word cure? Option A, strange. B, famous. C, rare. D, illegal. Option A is correct. Strange. Next. Who was the most trusting person narrator had ever met? Anil, publisher, Anil's friend, none of the above. Option A, Anil. Next. Who is easier to rob? A careless man, a greedy man, a trusting man? D, Anil. Option B is correct. A greedy man. Next. What take all the pleasure out of work? Robbing a careless man, robbing a greedy man. When someone does not notice they have been robbed. Option D, both A and C. Option D is correct. Both A and C. Robbing a careless man. When someone doesn't notice they have been robbed. So option D is correct. A and C. How much money did he steal? A, 500, 600, 700, 800. He stole 600 rupees. Next. Did he get away on the Lucknow Express? Yes, no, maybe, none of the above. Option B is correct. No. Next. How, according to the narrator, would Anil feel upon finding out? Angry, fear, acceptance, sad. He felt sad. Option D is correct. Next. What did he do with the money? Run away with it, threw it, bought a cycle with it, returned it. Option D is correct. Returned it. Next. Did Anil say anything about the robbery? Yes, no, maybe, none of the above. Option B is correct. None. Next. Why does Hari return the money? He wanted to learn to write. He was worried about how Anil would feel. He felt bad. None of the above. Option A is correct. He wanted to learn to write. Next. What do you mean by the word unlined? A. In a line. B. Showing no sign of worry or anxiety. None of the above. Both of the above. Option B is correct. Showing no sign of worry or anxiety. Next. What does I refer to in the story? I किसके लिए उल्लेख किया गया है? Refer to उल्लेख मेंशन. A. Hari. B. Anil. C. A greedy man. D. None of the above. I is referred to Hari in this story. Next. Last. What was the name of the shop above which Anil lived? A. Laddu sweet shop. B. Rasgulla sweet shop. C. Jamun sweet shop. D. Jamna sweet shop. Anil lived Jamna sweet shop. Option D is correct.